Good morning, children. This is the second session of the fraction. In the previous session, we have learned about the basic concept of the fraction, the classification of the fraction. Then we have seen how the fraction is being reduced to the lowest term. Then we have seen the equivalent fraction and simple and complex fraction. Now today our first topic is like fraction. Then we will understand what is the like fraction, unlike fraction, and how the comparing fraction is done. So let's see what is like fraction. Like fraction, fraction having a same denominator are called like fraction. For example, suppose 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 8 and 9 upon 8. So as you can see over here, these three fractions are having a same denominator, and that is 8, 8 and 8. Okay, so I hope it is clear what is the like fraction. Now let's see what is unlike fraction. That's our second topic. Unlike fraction. Unlike fraction are those fractions which have different denominator I hope you have understood. Let's see and understand with one example. See, fraction having a different denominator are called unlike fraction. For example, we will take the same example. For example, this is 3 by 8. Then for suppose 5 upon 10 is being written, then 9 upon 12. So over here these three fraction are having a different denominators, so they are called unlike fraction. I hope you have understood this too. What is a like fraction? Let's see it again. The like fraction are having a same denominator, and unlike fraction are having a different denominator. Now let's move on and understand it with one question. The question is saying change 3 by 4, then 3 by 5 and 7 by 8 and 9 upon 16 to like fraction. So as you can see, the question is asking that you have to change 3 upon 4, comma 3 upon 5, comma 7 upon 8 and 9 upon 16 into like fraction. So these are unlike fraction. So to solve this, we will first copy all the fraction that has been given in the question. 3 by 4, comma 3 by 5, comma 7 upon 8 and 9 upon 16. Now what we will do to convert this into a like fraction, we will take the LCM. That is our step number 1. Take LCM of denominator 4, 5, 8 and 16. So what will be their LCM? Their LCM is 80. Okay, 80 can be divided by 4 and also by 5 and by 8 and by 16. So these are their LCM. I have told you how to take out the LCM previously, so I am doing it directly over here. Okay, now we will convert step by step all the fraction denominator into 80. Okay, 3 by 4. Now how to convert it? We will multiply with 20, because 40 multiplied by 20 gives you 80. So multiplying 20 in the denominator, then we will multiply 20 in the numerator also. So we will get 60 upon 80. Okay, now 3 by 5, then 3 upon 5, 5 multiplied by 16, 16 5s is 80, then we will multiply 16 over here also, then 48 upon 80. Now the third fraction, your third fraction was 7 upon 8, so we will multiply 8 with 10 in the denominator and 10 in the numerator, so this is 70 upon 80. Then we will take the last fraction, and that is 9 upon 16, and 9 upon 16 multiply by 5, then in the numerator also, so this is 45 upon 80. So likewise you can see these all the fraction that has been given to you, their denominator has been done same. We have converted all this denominator same. So now this is called the like fraction. I hope you have understood. So our next topic is comparing fraction. Students, comparison of rational number. In this we have also seen how the fraction is being, or we can say how the rational number is being compared. Over here it is the same thing as you have seen in the rational number. We will do the same. Convert all the given fraction into a like fraction. Then the fraction with the greater numerator is greater. Let's understand it with a question. Compare the fraction 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 5 by 12 and 9 by 16. You have to find out which of the fraction is greater and which of the fraction is smaller. So again, all the fraction that has been given in the question we will write in the solution. 3 by 4, then 5 by 12 and 9 by 16. And as we have taken out the LCM, when we have converted all the things into a like fraction, so we will do it here. Take LCM of 3, 4, 12 and 16, and your LCM is 48. Now what we will do, we will convert all the given fraction into a like fraction first, means the denominator will be same. So we will take slowly 2 by 3 we will convert it first. So 2 by 3 will be multiplied, its denominator will be multiplied by 16, then multiply the 16 in numerator also. So this will be your 32 upon 48. Okay, now second one, take the fraction second, then multiply it with 12, because 12 4s is 48 and 12 3s is 36. So 36 upon 48. Now we will take the third fraction. See, now we will take the third fraction, that is 5 by 12, and again we will multiply the denominator with 4 and here also with 4. So it is 20 upon 48. Now the last one, and your last one is 9 upon 16. So 9 upon 16 multiply by 3, then in numerator also multiply by 3. So it is 27 upon 48. Now you have seen that this all fractions denominator has been converted into a like fraction because they are having a same denominator. So I will write it here again, all the fraction that are being converted into a like fraction. First one is 32 upon 48. Then your second one as you can see, 36 upon 48. Then third is 20 upon 48. And the last one is 27 upon 48. Again we will go on to the definition that we have seen it earlier. See, to convert all the given fraction means these fraction are given and into a like fraction, okay, then the fraction with the greater numerator is greater. So as they are saying that the fraction with the greater numerator is greater, so over here you can see that 32, 36, 20 and 27 is being given to you. So 36 means this fraction is having a greater numerator. So after multiplying with what we have got, 36 upon 48, in which fraction we are getting, and that is, see, 3 by 4. So your fraction 3 by 4 is greater. Okay, 3 by 4 is greater and 5 by 12 is smaller, or else you can write it like this way also, that your 36 upon 48 is greater and your 20 upon 48 is smaller. I hope it is clear. Now, can you arrange them in ascending order? Yes. What is the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order means arranging the fraction from smallest to bigger. So what is the smallest one? 20 upon 48. Then 27 upon 48. After then 32 upon 48 and last 36 upon 48. So we will write the fraction into an ascending order. So first one is 5 upon 12. Okay, then 9 upon 16. Then your 2 upon 3 and the last one 3 upon 4. So this is how the fraction is arranged in ascending order. Okay, now if you have to convert this into a descending order, so descending order means the fraction which is having a greater numerator to the fraction which is having a smaller numerator. So we will just do the vice versa, means 3 by 4 will be written, and after that your sign will be like this. Then 2 by 3 will be written. Then 9 by after then 9 by 16 will be written, and at the last 5 by 12. So this is how the fraction is arranged in ascending order and in descending order. So I hope you have all understood how the comparison of fraction is done and how the fraction is converted into ascending order and descending order, and which fraction is greater and which fraction is smaller. So let's move on to the next topic. So now our last topic of this session is to insert a fraction between the two given fraction. So how to insert a fraction between a two given fraction? So first thing, note this down. To take out this, we will add the numerator of both the fraction and denominator. Let's see how to do it. See, 1/2 and 3/5 is given to you, and here you have to insert one fraction between these two. So how to do it? As you have seen in the note, add numerator and denominator. So we will add the numerator, that is 1 plus 3, and the denominator, that is 2 plus 5. So your answer is 4/7. So this is the required fraction. Clear? This is the required fraction. Okay, now let's see it again. Here one more question is given to you. 2 and 3 1/2. So first we will convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So as I have told you, we will multiply it. 3 2s are 6, then 6 plus 1 7, 7/2. Those who don't know, please see the previous session and you will understand it. So 2 and 7/2 is given. Here you are seeing that there is nothing in the numerator, so suppose it 1. Then what to do? We will add the numerator 2 plus 7, then the denominator 1 plus 2. So your required answer is 9/3. So this is the fraction that we have to insert between these two, and over here also this is the fraction that will be inserted between these two. So you have seen this, that how you have to insert the fraction between the given two fraction. Now we will see how to insert the 3 fraction between the two given fraction. So we will do step by step. Okay, so let's write it, the fraction which has to be solved. Then let's see. So add the numerator 1 plus 3, then the denominator 2 plus 5. So you have got 4/7. So this one is the one fraction that will be inserted. Now you have to find the other two also. So now a fraction between 1/2. We will first take 1/2 and we will take 4/7. Okay, now see, as 4/7 has come in between, so we will first take 1/2 and 4/7, and we will find the given fraction that has to be inserted between 2. So how? We will add the numerator 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 7. So you will get 5/9. Clear? And then after that, a fraction between 4/7 and 3/4. I will write it here only. See, 3/5. Sorry. So now we will add the numerator 4 plus 3, then 7 plus 5. So your answer is 7/12. So I hope, see, now you can see that we have find all the 3 fraction that will be inserted between these two fractions. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, let's understand 2 more questions based on how to insert a fraction between the two given fraction. So first one is insert one fraction between 3 upon 7 and 4 upon 9. So how to do it? We will first add the numerator and then the denominator. So your answer will be 7 upon 16. So this is the solution, and this is the fraction that is coming between these two. Okay, now we will see with this question that how to insert three fraction between 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 9. So in first step we will find the fraction between this 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 9. I have copied out the fraction in which we have to find out the given fraction that is coming in between. So 2 plus 4 and 5 plus 9. So this is 6 upon 14. Okay, now 6 upon 14 has come in between. So see, like this way, 2 upon 5 is there, and then you can see 6 upon 14 is coming in between. So here, see, 6 upon 14 is coming in between, and after then 4 upon 9 is coming. Okay, so now you have find out the one fraction that is coming in between, and the question was saying that we have to find 3. So now we will find the other two. How? We will first take this 2. Now a fraction between 2 upon 5 and 6 upon 14. So add the numerator and add the denominator. So you will get 8 upon 19. Now take this and this. Now a fraction between 6 upon 14 and 4 upon 9. Okay, 6 plus 4 and 14 plus 9. So this will be 10 upon 9 plus 14, and that is 23. So we have got all three fraction. All three fraction are 6 upon 14, then 8 upon 19 and 10 upon 23. So this is the fraction that will be inserted between 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 9. So I hope you have understood. Please see the videos very slowly, and then you will understand the question, and I will give you the assignment based on it. Thank you.